na mabibigay ko sa new clashers and to use this platform, this contest to really show the Philippines and the world what they've got. Yun din naman ang advice ko sa Clash Packers. At sa simula pa lang ng contest, sabi ko sa kanila, isa lang ang mananalo dito. Sana ikaw, pero kung hindi ikaw, make your performance as memorable as possible. Yeah, thank you.
Follow-up question na lang po. So how do you keep your judging fresh every season?
Again, sorry.
How do you keep your judging fresh every season? Especially with the growing talent and the creativity of the new Clashers.
Fresh palette. Okay, sige. How do I keep it fresh? It's because of actually the contestants. That's why it's fresh. Kasi everyone gives a new energy. Kahit yung mga Clash Packers, meron silang something new. They have to prove something. They have to live this moment again. And sa Clash, sa ating bagong Clashers naman, yun nga, parang dinidiscover pa lang natin sila. Ano ba talaga yung strengths nila? Sino ba talaga sila? So that's how I react. I react to the new things that they give. And then the other question is, ano po ulit? Yun na yun. Okay. Sayang yung palette eh. Gusto ko gamitin yung... It's fresh palette right now kasi it's a mix of old and new. And the energies and their performances talaga have really brought so much color again dito sa bagong Clash na ito. Thank you.